Components of biosecurity. So first let's look at the definition of biosecurity. This is a strategic and integrated approach that helps in the development, establishment and implementation of policies. Whether these are large policies dealing with the large population or small policies dealing with the subpopulations. Even it encompasses the regulatory framework or regulatory network, because once the implementation of these policies have occurred, we want to know that whether these policies are successful or not. We have to look at the regulatory frameworks daily. So here we analyze or assess, as well as we can reduce the risk or manage the risk by using different methodologies as well as the strategies. Now the factors that influence biosecurity. What are the factors जिन्होंने biosecurity की need को बढ़ा दिया है? The first factor is the globalization. जैसे जैसे population बढ़ रही है, biosecurity की need भी बढ़ती जा रही है. Then biotechnology, field of biotechnology, new genetically modified products have been introduced, as well as the food processing technologies. This is the very important factor that influence biosecurity. इसके अलावा फूड ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंपोर्ट हो रहा है फ्रॉम वन कंट्री टू अनदर. जैसे जैसे कि ट्रेड बढ़ रही है, लोगों की मूवमेंट ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम वन कंट्री टू अनदर भी बढ़ती जा रही है, जिसकी वजह से चांसेस हैं कि इन्वेसिव स्पीशीज़ और एक्सोटिक पेस्ट दूसरी कंट्री में एंटर हो सकते हैं. Then the next factor are the advances in communication. Here we are talking about the electronic communication through computer in the form of internet. Now people have greater attention to biodiversity. They talk about the gene invasion into the wild population and all the effects or harmful effects or the potential threats related to the population. Now as there is shift from country independence to country independence, the need of biosecurity increases. इसके अलावा डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज जहाँ पे लेस टेक्निकल और बहुत कम ऑपरेशनल रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं, वहाँ पे भी बायोसिक्योरिटी की नीड बढ़ जाती है. इसके अलावा अफ्रीका या दूसरे कंट्रीज, डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज जो कि दूसरे कंट्री से फूड इंपोर्ट करा रहे हैं, उनमें चांसेस बायोसिक्योरिटी या नीड ऑफ बायोसिक्योरिटी ज़्यादा है. सो सम कंट्रीज आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन फूड इंपोर्ट. वहाँ पे हम जीन मॉडिफाइड फूड्स ज़्यादातर भेजते हैं ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उसको फ़ायदा उठाया जा सके, हंगर को कंट्रोल किया जा सके, मैल न्यूट्रिशन को कंट्रोल किया जा सके. Now let's come to the components of biosecurity. This is physical biosecurity, that is the biosecurity of the organization. For example, the security of the building. Then personal security, that is the security of the lab worker and the belongings belong to him. Material control and accountability. Transfer security, that is the transport of infectious material from one country to another. And the last component and a very important one is the information security.